Today on Leaders in Healthcare, we're tackling the crisis behind the crisis, the immense administrative and staffing pressures threatening Canadian medical clinics. Our guest is Kyle Sherritt, Vice President of Sherritt Services, a company that has been on the front lines of medical administration since 1997. In this episode, you'll learn how evolving payment models are creating new complexities, why the traditional clinic staffing model is breaking, and how virtual support is becoming a critical tool for building a more resilient, profitable, and sustainable practice. Get ready for a masterclass in the business of modern medicine.
What's the latest in billing?
Physicians are billing for themselves. I'm doing my own billing, and it pays. So I'm not doing it wrong. No, it doesn't. Yeah, it pays, but it's not right. Physicians will shortchange themselves. By staying away from overbilling, they're going to bill 90 or 95% value. 10 points over the year is a vacation home at the end of your career. We're going to educate you as to what needs to be detailed and where.
What is the most lucrative province to be in?
It's going to be Alberta. When it comes to reception services, let's do remote administration as well too. Like, what problems can be solved remotely? Everything short of touching patients.
Arbitrage of cost of living difference between wherever the clinic's located. Virtual MOA might be somewhere more reasonably priced.